This happened in Astoria, New York. A poor truck driver had just finished a delivery at Farm Country Supermarket on 31st Avenue. When he tried to make a right turn onto 35th Street, he quickly realized it was impossible. Bike lanes, poles, and other obstructions made the turn too tight for a semi. Traffic started backing up, and even emergency vehicles couldn't get through. With no other option, the driver had to go the wrong way just to escape the mess. A clear example of how city planning and truck accessibility don't always match up, leaving professional drivers stuck in impossible situations.
It's all right. These guys aren't going anywhere. This whole block is blocked. These guys aren't going anywhere. Look at the traffic going down the block. He's completely stuck. I don't know.
No, you.
I'm sorry?
You're recording.
Oh, yeah. These bike lanes are a disaster.
No, they're not.
Yeah, that's because you don't drive.
I do.
Yeah.
This is just the wrong street to be driving this down.
Where's the guy going to go? He's got a job to do, right?
But not in a single lane. Yeah.
Where do you know where he's coming from? That's right. This guy made it through, that guy made it through. He's coming from the supermarket.
I was trying to get ahead.
And he's trying to get a hand. So what's he going to do?
I'm not disagreeing with you.
Shut down the supermarket because of the bike
I'm
lanes?
not disagreeing.
All right. But you think the bike lanes are a good thing? They're not. They're not. They don't work. Here. Now we got the cops are trying to come by. Cops can't come by. Look at that. And here's the guy that thinks the bike lanes are a good thing. Chucky just came from the supermarket down the block, so he has no real choice but to turn this way. And here we go. This guy's asking where he wants to go. The only way he could go.
slow and driving a fucking cargo van. That's nowhere near safe to do that. I understand a regular car, but like a cargo van like this, drive it, go there.
Disaster.